Hello, I'm Cotton, the chef dog. Today we are going to make one of the most exquisite dishes I've ever tasted. It's all about the corn arepa. To make this recipe, we will need pre-cooked corn flour, water, and salt. If you want to make it more nutritious, you can add quinoa, sesame seeds, grated carrot, and many other things. Your imagination is the limit. There is a great controversy about the arepa, whether it's Venezuelan or Colombian. Tell me in the comments where you think it's from and what your favorite is. Alright, the first thing we need to do is add the flour. Then add the water and a pinch of salt. We start kneading vigorously, and if necessary, we add more water until we have a smooth dough. Now what we need to do is shape it. We take it with both paws and start making circular movements until we have a perfect circle. You can shape it however you want. A star, a heart, an oval, but the normal shape is circular. Now we just need to place it in the skillet to cook. While it's cooking, we can rest for a while. Then we flip it to cook the other side and wait. And there you go! We have finished our arepa. Now all that's left is to fill it. There are many different fillings. It can be any type of cheese, chicken, meat, whatever you want to add. Share in the comments what is your favorite filling. I'm going to add cheese and black beans to mine. Let's try it to see how it turned out. Perfect! Thank you for joining me. Don't miss my next recipe. Subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay informed when I make the next recipe. I'm Cotton the Chef Dog.